For the repair of the SMC cylinder positioners, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add some pressurized air as power supply and as input signal, and we also add a spare cylinder to the unit. By manipulating the input signal, the unit responds accordingly and moves the piston of the cylinder. The same process is repeated for the second positioner. It is now clear that both cylinder positioners are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.